Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. The question I've been sent is what are Google Ads responsive display ads and why should I use them? Responsive display ads are a great way to promote your business, product or services, and they run on the Google Display Network. The problem or the bottleneck with running ads on Google Display Network previously was you need to create a variety of sizes and then upload them to your campaigns. With the responsive display ads, this has become very easy. All you do is you upload images and videos, throw in some headlines and description lines, and that is it. Google is then going to mix and match your images, your logo, and the headline and the description, and optimize them to see which one is working, which one is not working, and obviously push out the ads which perform the best. So even if you don't know how to use Photoshop, or you don't have Photoshop, or you don't have the resources to hire a graphic designer to create some good looking ads, responsive display ads is the fastest and the quickest way to create some image ads. So it is going to save you a lot of time and effort and money. All you need to do is to upload up to 15 images, 5 headlines, 5 description lines, and 2 logos. Some of the images and logos are in horizontal or landscape version, and there's the other version, other size, which is the square one. So I would recommend you upload both the versions, because depending on the size of the ad Google is going to push out, it needs to have all these assets available to mix and match and marry them in an ad to create an ad which will then go out in front of somebody. So you're going to create an ad which may have images, text, or videos and text. The machine is going to learn which is the best performing ads and is going to push out the better performing ads in front of your audience. So I would recommend that you upload high quality images. Images are extremely critical, and you need to make sure that they are as per your brand guidelines. Another thing which I would highly recommend is don't copy it from the internet and use those images without someone's permission. There are lots of places where you can buy very high quality images at a fraction of a price, and they are royalty free, so you are not infringing on someone's copyrights, because they can sue you if you are using them without their permission. So upload about 5 to 10 images, then write 5 short headlines, and then you also have one long headline up to 90 characters, and then you can upload up to 5 description lines, and that's it. You throw it all up or upload it all up and let Google work out the best combination and the sizes. So I hope this answered your question. If you have any questions you would like me to answer and create a little video like this one, then please send it to info@sfdigital.co.uk, and I'll do my best to create one for you. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.